coolest features of this building is that we have a slide that goes all the way down to the communal area. So I'll meet you guys down there. So now that we're in the communal area, as you can see, we have plenty of room for activities. Vending machine, which you can purchase your snacks. We've got pool tables and a ping pong table. We also have an outdoor area with a barbecue and an outdoor sitting area. And so we have a foosball table, and we have 2 TVs here as well, where you can watch your favorite sports games, pool tables and a ping pong table. We have a cinema room here as well, which you can watch your local TV channels, but also you can opt to connect your game consoles. We also have a gym in the building as well that is 24 hours. So for all you day gym goers, you can definitely come and do a workout at like 3 o'clock in the morning if that's what you want to do. Resident laundry. If we look to our left here, we can see a bunch of machines for washing and drying. We also have our study area down here as well, with 3 personal study pods which you can use if you want some more privacy.